Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you have used Flight Radar, you have seen the name of aircraft is written like this: A320-232 or A320-271N or A320-251N. We all know A320 is aircraft name, but what is 251N? So today we will talk about how to identify aircraft engine, engine type, engine manufacturer without seeing aircraft. First we will talk about Airbus codes. Basically, Airbus has made some codes to identify the aircraft version, engine manufacturer and engine version. Let's take example of A320-271N. So here A320 is name of aircraft, then comes the first digit. First digit indicates the version of aircraft. Here first digit after aircraft name is 2. That means the version is 200. Just like this, 3 means 300, 4 means 400. Now we will talk about second digit. Second digit tell us the manufacturer of engine. In our example, second digit is 7. That means engine manufacturer is Pratt & Whitney. Every Airbus engine manufacturer have their unique codes. All codes are like this. 0 indicates General Electric engine, 1 and 5 indicates CFM International engines, 2 and 7 indicates Pratt & Whitney engines, 3 indicates IAE engines, 4 indicate Rolls-Royce engine, and last 6 indicate Engine Alliance engine. Now we will talk about third digit. Third digit only tell us the version of engine. 1 means older version, 2, 3, 4 are newer versions. Then last comes the letter. If you have noticed, nowadays 90% aircraft have letters at the end of the name. These letters are nothing else but to identify the aircraft is passenger or cargo or extended range and so on. B4 indicates passenger aircraft in A300 series, then C4 indicates combination aircraft means half passenger and half cargo, then CJ indicates corporate jets. Next, ET indicates that particular aircraft is extended twin ETOPS certified. Then E indicates enhanced. Next, F indicates freighter or cargo. Then R indicates extended range. Then ST indicates super transporter, which is A300 Beluga. Then X indicates high gross weight aircraft. Next, XWB indicates extra wide body aircraft. N indicate neo, that is new engine option. Then C indicate current engine option. Next, LR indicate long range, for example A320 LR. Then ULR indicate ultra long range aircraft, for example A350 ULR. Now let's see some example. First, A300-601. Here A300 is aircraft name, 6 is version, 0 indicates GE Aviation is the engine manufacturer, and 1 is engine version, which is CF6-80C2A1. Next example is A320-252N. A320 is aircraft name, 200 is version, 5 is CFM International and 2 is engine version, which is CFM LEAP 1824, last N means new. Last example is A380-861. A380 is aircraft, 800 version, 6 means Engine Alliance and 1 is engine version, GP7270. Now let's talk about Boeing codes. Boeing codes are not easy like Airbus because there are more than 500 codes. Boeing doesn't tell the engine manufacturer in its name, it tells the owner of the aircraft. Boeing gives unique codes to all their customers. This makes hard to remember the codes. But now we will discuss about Indian Airlines. First is SpiceJet. You can see Boeing 737-8GJ. Same as Airbus, 737 is name of aircraft. -8 is version, which is 800. Now GJ. GJ is SpiceJet's Boeing customer code. If you see any aircraft in the world with this name, then you can easily tell the owner of the aircraft is SpiceJet. This SpiceJet Boeing 737-8V3. Now you will ask, if SpiceJet code is GJ, then why V3 is written here? V3 is written here because the owner of aircraft is Copa Airline. V3 is the customer code of Copa Airlines, but the aircraft is leased by SpiceJet. SpiceJet leased aircraft from many airlines. For example, Boeing 737-8EH. EH is customer code of Gold Transporter Aeros. Then Boeing 737-86J. 6J is customer code of Air Berlin. That means Air Berlin is the owner of aircraft. Let's see some example. Customer code of Air India Express is HG, so their aircraft name will be written as Boeing 737-8HG. In Air India Express, there are some leased aircrafts too, which is Boeing 737-86N. 6N is GE Capital Aviation's customer code. Air India's 777 has the customer code 37. Here are some international codes. Emirates customer code is 1H, Qatar Airways code is DZ, Etihad code is FX. So Boeing have so many codes, it is not possible to cover all codes in this video. I will give link of codes in description. This was a small video on Airbus and Boeing naming codes. Like, dislike, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye, take care.